Hello, this is Chris with a K and OCH from Krucy Does Gardening and stuff. I'm making a video for the 2022 Canadian Seed Challenge that basically started with Hickorycroft Farm and the gang. This is basically a short list of things I'm sort of looking for. I have a small note list, but basically, I'm just looking for some seeds, I guess, for, cherry tomatoes, if anyone might have. Or if anyone has seeds for, I guess, Italian parsley or Greek, not origami, Greek oregano, if anyone has any seeds for those. I can't speak. English is hard. What else was I looking for? Let me have my glasses. I can see. Yeah, so and also if anyone would have any seeds for cilantro and Italian parsley. So those are basically what I'm looking for. I don't know if anyone would have any seeds for sunflowers. There's two types of sunflowers I wanted to try to grow also. It's which is it's the Mongolian giant, the ones with big heads there, or another one I wanted to try to grow was the Russian mammoth, which is another large sunflower. So that's basically what I'm looking for at the moment. If anyone's looking for garlic chive seeds, I have tons of it. I've got like 3 pill bottles like that, basically almost full. I'm not going to give a person one large one, but I'll split it up into smaller containers for if anyone is looking for garlic chive seeds. So if you'd like to contact me, I'll probably leave my email in the comments below. If it's not there, it's probably going to be in the about section of the channel, but I'll try to leave it in one of the comments below the email to contact me if needed. So thanks for watching, and talk to you guys later.